Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chemistry chapter atomic structure part 5. In this part we will learn some solved problems. So first solved problem is question is we have to find the number of electrons present in 1 gram of electrons. So the answer will be, let the number of electrons be x. Electrons be x. We know that total number of electrons into mass of each electron is equal to total mass of electrons. So x into mass of electrons, mass of electrons is equal to total mass of electrons. Total mass of electrons means x will be equal to total mass of electron upon mass of electron. Mass of each electron. So the total mass of electrons is equal to 1 gram, and we know that mass of one electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 28 grams. So substituting the values, we get 1 gram upon mass of single electrons is equal to x. X is equal to 1 gram upon mass of single electron in grams. So x is equal to, after that the next step will be put the value of mass of each electron, mass of single electron. So x will be equal to 1 gram upon 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 28 grams. Grams cut. So 1 upon 9.1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 28. After reciprocal, this value of this number will become 10 raised to 28 multiplied by this 1 upon 9.1. So this is the value of x. After that we can write 10 raised to 28 as 10 into 10 into 10 raised to 27, means 1 power shifted to next number upon 9.1. So after simplifying this all, the value of x will be equal to 1.09 into 10 raised to 27 electrons. This is the final answer. I hope you have understood this question. Now the next question is, Faraday is the biggest unit of charge and is equal to 96500 coulombs, means 96,500 coulombs. Find the number of electrons that make the biggest unit of charge. So answer of this question is, given is 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulombs. So 1 Faraday is equal to how many electrons? So let the number of electrons be x. 1 Faraday is equal to x into charge of each electrons. Charge of each electrons is equal to 1 Faraday. So 1 Faraday means 9. This 1 Faraday means 96500 coulombs. That will be equal to x into charge of each electrons means 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. The value of this is 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19, but we can write it as 1.602 or we can 08, or we can write it as 1.02, sorry, 1.602, or we can write it as 1.6. That will be easy to solve. So after transpose, the answer will come, to transposing this, the answer will come 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 96500 coulombs, or now we can directly write it, because this was also coulomb and this is also coulomb, so coulomb will get cancelled. After that, remaining is this. After simplifying, the answer comes 6.03 multiplied by 10 raised to 23 electrons. Therefore, one Faraday is equal to 6.03 multiplied by 10 raised to 23 electrons. This is the correct answer. I hope you have understood this whole question. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Here we have solved two solved problems of chapter Atomic Structure, part 5. First, we have learned how to find the number of electrons in 1 gram. In second question, we have find 1 Faraday is equal to how many electrons. I hope you have understood every question. Thank you for watching.